Dive into the gig economy, your ticket to freedom. The world of work is changing fast. Forget the old 9 to 5 grind. The gig economy is here and it's booming. More and more people are ditching their cubicles to become their own bosses. Why? Freedom, flexibility, control. The gig economy offers a chance to design your ideal work-life balance. It's about choosing projects you love, setting your own hours, and working from anywhere. Think of it like this. The gig economy is like a vast ocean of possibilities. You get to be the captain of your own ship, charting your own course. You can be a writer crafting compelling stories from a beachside cafe, or a graphic designer creating stunning visuals from a mountain cabin. The possibilities are endless. The gig economy empowers you to turn your passions into profits. It's about taking control of your destiny and designing a career on your terms. But hold on, let's not sugarcoat it. The gig economy isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It takes guts, grit, and a whole lot of hustle to make it as a freelancer. You need to be self-motivated, organized, and always ready to adapt. Think of it as a thrilling adventure, not a walk in the park. There will be challenges for sure, but the rewards, they're worth every ounce of effort. Ready to dive in? Great. Let's explore how you can ride this wave of change and create a fulfilling freelance career. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and embrace the exciting world of freelancing. The gig economy is your oyster. Crack it open and discover the pearls inside. Launchpad to freelancing from zero to hero. So you're ready to take the plunge into freelancing? Awesome! Let's map out your journey to success. First things first, find your niche. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your niche is the sweet spot where your skills and passions intersect. It's what sets you apart from the crowd. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build your online presence. Create profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Guru. Showcase your skills, experience, and portfolio. Remember, your profile is your virtual storefront. Make it shine. Don't be afraid to toot your own horn. Highlight your accomplishments, but keep it concise and compelling. Now let's talk about finding gigs. Start by bidding on projects that match your skills and interests. Craft personalized proposals that showcase your understanding of the client's needs. Don't be afraid to start small. Every gig, big or small, adds to your experience and credibility. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Building a strong network is crucial in the freelancing world. Connect with other freelancers, potential clients, and industry professionals. Attend online events, join relevant groups, and participate in forums. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Remember, it's not just what you know, but who you know. Freelancing can feel like a solo journey, but it doesn't have to be. Surround yourself with a supportive community and watch your business soar. Mastering the freelancing galaxy, tools and tricks of the trade. Congratulations, you've landed your first few gigs. Now let's talk about how to manage your freelance work like a pro. Organization is key. Use project management tools like Trello or Asana to stay on top of deadlines and track your progress. Create a dedicated workspace to separate your work life from your personal life. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Set realistic deadlines and stick to them. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Use time tracking tools like Toggle or Harvest to monitor your productivity and identify areas for improvement. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. Communication is key in any freelance project. Respond to client messages promptly and professionally. Keep them updated on your progress and address any concerns they might have. Clear and effective communication builds trust and fosters strong client relationships. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Take breaks when you need them. Avoid burnout by setting boundaries and prioritizing your well-being. Don't be afraid to say no to projects that don't align with your goals or availability. Your health and well-being are paramount to your long-term success as a freelancer. Thrive in the freelance jungle, embrace change, reap rewards. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving. New technologies, platforms, and trends emerge all the time. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you need to be adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. Stay updated on industry news, attend webinars, and invest in your professional development. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools, techniques, and strategies. The more you learn and grow, the more valuable you become as a freelancer. Remember, the only constant is change. Embrace it, adapt, and you'll stay ahead of the curve. Freelancing offers incredible rewards, freedom, flexibility, and the opportunity to pursue your passions. But it also demands hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop exploring new horizons. The gig economy is here to stay. Are you ready to seize the opportunity and create a fulfilling freelance career? The journey awaits. Take the leap, embrace the unknown, and watch your freelance dreams take flight. The future of work is flexible, independent, and full of possibilities. Welcome to the world of freelancing.